In this video, we will see how we can implement a AND gate using the circuit switches. So for that what I need a switch. For that I will go to here basic, and in the basic there will be switch. So just select this SPST switch, okay, single pole single throw. This is what I need practically. So one switch is here. I need two switches because I am considering my AND gate has two inputs. So S1 and S2 are my inputs. Then I need a power source here, so I will go to here, then click on power sources, and in power sources I will take a DC power. Fine. So DC power I will keep it here. Next, as you have seen in the earlier videos that you need a ground connection as well, so I will take the ground here, okay, and I will put it here. Next, what I need a LED. In this case you cannot use probe actually, because it's a two terminal device I need here. So I will go to diodes, and from here I can find the LED, means scrolling down, or else you can click on this search bar to find the LED. So let us take the red color LED here, and LED will be kept here. Okay, now the circuit components are ready. I just need to make the connections here. So this one here, and so S1 to S2 series connection, then switch to the LED positive terminal, and then your LED to the battery terminal, and then the ground will be connected to the negative terminal. So this completes my circuit here. Now let us see whether it's working or not. So what the AND logic says, if both the inputs are 1, then only it will work, or else the output is 0. So let's simulate it. Now you can see the switches are open here. Fine. So if I close the switch, one switch, then nothing is happening. So if I make it open and close another one, then also nothing is happening. But if I close both the switches, then you see this LED is glowing. In that case, we can see that it verifies the AND gate, where the logic says that if both the inputs are 1, then your output is equals to 1 here. So in the next video, we will see some other logics and combinational circuits as well.